Hello. Many places had a fine, bright start to the working week, but more rain is on the way, and we have a couple of weather warnings in force through today and tomorrow across parts of England and Wales. A lot of spray, a lot of surface water on the roads, particularly through this evening's rush hour. Later in the week, we could get another wet and windy spell from what will be by then ex-Hurricane Lorenzo. Still very much a hurricane at the moment, a long, long way from the United Kingdom, but it is drifting its way northwards. As I said, it won't be a hurricane by the time it approaches the UK, but it could bring us some wet and windy weather later this week. Ahead of it, we have a swirl of cloud already bringing some wet and windy weather after what was a fine start to Monday for most. The rain already setting in across Wales and southwest England and spreading into southern parts of Northern Ireland, across the Midlands and eventually southeast England this afternoon. Parts of eastern England, northern England, much of Scotland, dry and bright through the rest of today. A few showers in the far north. It's pretty chilly here, whereas further south, temperatures getting into the mid to high teens, but it doesn't feel that mild because of the wet weather. Look at the bright colours there. A very soggy evening rush hour. There is a warning in force through parts of Wales, the Midlands and northwest England for that persistent rain falling on ground that's been pretty soggy recently. That rain also spreading into East Anglia and the southeast could be heavy. Again, some brighter colours here for the evening rush hour. The rain spreads steadily into northern England, across all of Northern Ireland, the far south of Scotland, but then it kind of grinds to a halt. To the north of that, it stays largely clear. Some very heavy showers, though, possible in Shetland, but it will be cold here as well. Down to single figures, even in towns and cities. Some rural spots, some sheltered glens could see a touch of frost. Compare that with in the south, well, temperatures in towns and cities likely to stay in the mid-teens. Bit of a three-way split then on Tuesday. Some sunshine across Scotland, although there will be heavy showers in the far north. Southern Scotland, Northern England, Northern Ireland starting dull and damp, and particularly northeast England staying that way for much of the day. In the south, there'll be some glimmers of brightness, there'll be some sunshine, but here again, there'll be some heavy showers. Hit and miss, not everywhere catching them, but they could cause, again, potential for some problems. Temperatures again showing quite a range, quite mild in the south when the sun's out, 18, maybe 19 Celsius. Stuck under that rain over northern England, 11 or 12 is going to feel pretty cool. Whereas it will be quite chilly across Scotland and Northern Ireland, despite actually some decent spells of afternoon sunshine. That's because the winds here are coming in from the north, whereas for the south it could be quite blustery around those showers, which, as I said, could cause some problems. So we do have a yellow warning in force. Again, a lot of surface water, a lot of spray on the roads through Tuesday evening's rush hour, and the potential for some local flooding. Those downpours continue to spiral across the south through the evening before slowly fading away. This band of cloud pushing its way slowly southwards. A few showers across the northeast, but for many, clearer skies arriving as that weather system clears through, and Wednesday morning will be rather chilly as that cold air pushes in from the north. Then we look down to the southwest. Lorenzo changing from a hurricane to an area of low pressure sometime on Wednesday and into Thursday. But there's quite a bit of uncertainty about the track of this low pressure system as it approaches the UK. It could well bring a wet and windy spell to our shores, but there's, as I say, a lot of uncertainty about the exact track at this stage. So the best thing to do is to keep up to date with the very latest forecast and also with the very latest weather warnings. Best way to do that, download the app, go to our website or follow us on social media.